How to buy bonds. Trading 212. Trading 212 is a commission-free investing app that lets you buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares, with tools like Auto Invest to automate your investments. It also offers CFD trading for advanced users. First, download Trading 212 application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then log into your account. On homepage, click on the Search tab with the magnifying glass. There are a few ways that you can find an investment you can search directly up here. Also scroll down, click on ETF. These are your whole market index fund style investments. Click on Equity. Then click on Benchmark. Click on Vanguard S&P 500. Just click Buy. You're then greeted by one of the slider options. Use slider to choose how much share you wish to buy. Then press Review Order. Then click on Send by Order. That's it. Thanks for watching.